Okay, and now comes the part where you'll need a steady hand. Mine is not that steady, as you can see, but using a liner brush, so a nice thin long brush, does help. We're painting in the panels that we see in the door. So I'm using my lighter brush and the darker color that's still on my palette that we used for the plant pots. And I'm very carefully just going over the lines that I traced for my reference picture. And then, as you maybe can see in the reference picture, maybe a little bit difficult to see, is that there's a slight shadow on the top and the right hand side of each panel. So the line is thicker there and a little bit more blended out. So I'll use my other brush to blend out a little bit of that color on the top and the right hand side. If you're not comfortable with a brush and you have a marker or a pencil or a pen that has a similar color, you might use that and make it easier on yourself. You would need some watercolor to blend out those shadows a little bit, but the lines are fine to paint with another or draw with another medium. I wouldn't look twice at it. Of course, again, there's purists who disapprove, but I don't think it matters at all as long as you're more comfortable and enjoying your painting.